Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where you are watching us from. My name is Chaumba Bright. I bring to you a question on factorization. All right. Please, we need to go through this question together step by step. If you like, you could pause the video, go for the question. Later on, we can compare our answers. I could get it wrong. You know, we are human beings and susceptible to errors. So you could be the one that is going to give us some corrections. Okay. So, by the way, there are those of you that may be writing your exams this year, which is GCE, or maybe you know someone who is writing. Please ask them to join us on this on these numbers. We have got online lessons that we offer from 20 hours up to 21:30, 4 days or more per week. All right. These lessons are very helpful. You join the group, or probably if you like, you could learn, depending on how you want it. All right. We'll do a good job and you won't regret. So back to the question. We have this question that we're supposed to factorize here. How do we do that? When you just look at the question, you have to think about it as in, how do I factorize that? The first step, you do know that when you factorize 3, here you remain with 9, y squared minus x squared. This is called common factor method of factorization. This is called common factor method of factorization. But we can go a step further here. We can go a step further because we've learned all those methods of factorization. Okay, so we could go a step further by saying, okay, this 9, sorry, we change it to 3 squared, y squared minus x squared. So as you have seen here, we have 3. This is 3y, both of them are squared. So I could do it this way, minus x squared. By this point, we have achieved what we call a difference of 2 squares. We have achieved what we are calling a difference of 2 squares. So once we have a difference of 2 squares, how we write our final answer, we get the same one. I will say 3y plus x, again, then 3y minus x. This is what is going to be our answer. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for coming this far, watching my video. I really appreciate your support, and please keep watching, commenting, subscribing to our channel, and share the news with those that may be writing their exams this year. I thank you again.